what's a day? What joy to be alive!
Look at the hunchback. What's he up to? This hunchback is lighten the mood.
Seems like we're celebrating something. Bravo!
What a peculiar fellow. Well, he seems to be in high spirit.
Indeed, life is love for a living. Would you care for a dance?
I appreciate your offer, but I have work to do. You certainly know how to make an entrance, huh?
Life is yours, my friend. We will make it most out of it.
Oh, my back! My God! Are you alright?
I fear I have injured myself.
I must take responsibility. I'll carry you to my home.
Who is this man? And why is he injured?
His back got pain. We must take care of him.
Your kindness has been overwhelming.
No, it's fine. We're glad to help you. Rest as long as you need.
How about some fish for dinner? It's light and good for you.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you.
Are you feeling well?
Something stuck on my throat.
What's happening? What's happening?
Water!
I can breathe.
Here's the water. Oh my God! He's gone! What shall we do now? Doctor! Doctor!
Help us! Help us! Come this way.
Give this silver coin to your master and tell him to come to see my child.
Doctor, there's a little patient with smallpox.
A minute, please. Oh my! What's this? I've killed my patient! Help! Help! What should I do? I shouldn't be blamed about this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
A curse upon my butter! What is this? How? How can be a man standing at my door lifeless?
killed my patient!
Hang the doctor!
No! I'm the one to be blamed. The hunchback died at my house. He is struck by the fishbone.
Governor, may I examine the body?
Please lay down the hunchback's body. Go on, check the body.
You see, he's not dead at all.
I'm alive. The whole incident are misunderstanding.
Have you heard the story more amazing than this tale of Hunchback? So let this be a lesson about deceit and false accusation.
Bilang isang main character, marami ako natutunan gawa ng yung mga sa akin, ginagawa ko, mas na pinapakita ko yung totoo na parang tunay siya at yun lang.
Ang ko po sa buong story ay ang pagiging tapat mo sa lahat ng sitwasyon, mabigat man o magaan.
Ang natutunan ko sa kwentong to is, sa role ko, dapat kahit sinong tao, may kapansanan man o wala, mapanatili dapat natin or dapat nasa kalooban natin yung maging hospitable sa tao at maging mabait sa mga tao. Yun.
Masasabi ko sa kwentong ito is, kailangan nating maging mabuti sa lahat ng bagay. Kailangan.
Natutunan ko sa tale na ito is maging responsable at harapin kung ano yung nandiang sitwasyon, gaya nung sitwasyon ng mag-asawa. So, kung nabitalukan or kung may nangyaring masama is haharapin nyo yun, hindi nyo kailangan takbuhan. Kailangan maging responsable tayo sa bawat aksyon natin at saka maging mabuti sa kapwa at nang hindi nagkakaroon ng komplikasyon sa bawat pangyayari. Tapos, isipin pati lagi natin na sa lahat ng ginagawa natin ay may mga kaakibat na mayroong kaakibat na reaksyon sa bawat sitwasyon. Kaya maging aware at saka maging mindful tayo sa lahat ng gawain natin.
Hindi nila tinotolerate yung maling gawain dahil hindi naman sila yung tunay na pumatay at hindi naman accidental lang yung pagkamatay nila. Pagkamatay nung huba.
Mga ganong sitwasyon is dapat hindi tinatago. Dapat sinisigurado muna natin kung buhay ba sila o patay. Yun lang.
So, in this story po, marami ka talagang matututunan, lalo na dun sa part ng steward na dapat tinulungan niya yung hunchback kasi alam naman na ganun yung sitwasyon. So, sa lesson na to is, dapat tutulungan mo kung sino talaga yung nangangailangan ng tulong.
Sa akin naman, yung lesson ng kwento is, yung katotohanan ay talagang hindi itatago kasi kung ikaw yun, magigilty ka dun sa ginawa mo.
Sa natutunan ko dito sa paggawa ng film na to is dapat talaga matuto tayong magsabi ng totoo kahit na alam natin ikapapahamak natin. So kahit na maraming masasagasaan, basta para sa katotohanan dapat natin yun ipaglaban.